measuring instruments. Okay, got it? The machines, the tools, the device, the instruments that are used to measure the things are called measuring instruments. Okay, got it? So, what can we measure? We can measure the size, the amount, the length, and weight of the things with the help of these instruments. Okay, remember that? Instruments are tools, device, and machines. Okay, so we ask questions like these all the time. How high is it? How heavy? How big? How far? Okay, and lemonade. The weather is too hot nowadays, and I really like to drink lemonade in this hot weather. Do you? I'm sure you also want to drink lemonade or lemon juice. So now I tell you how to measure the ingredients. I mean the things that we need to make lemonade. Okay, take half cup sugar. Okay, what will you do? You can take half cup sugar, juice of 3 lemons, and 1 liter water. 1 liter water, you can take 4 to 5 glass of water. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 4 to 5 glass of water. Mix all these things, your lemonade is ready. Okay, beta? Now you got it how measurement plays a very important role in our daily life. But there is not only a single instrument to measure all the things. We need different machines or instruments to measure the size and amount of different things. Okay, so let's learn about all these. Okay, for measuring length, how can you measure the length? But tell me the meaning of the length first. What is length? The length means how long something is, how long an object is, okay? How long an object is, this is called length. And distance, what is the meaning of distance? Distance means whether the length of space between the 2 points, like how far is your school from your home. Okay, this is called distance, the distance between your home to your school. Okay, are you getting my point? So, we can measure the distance and the length with a ruler. Okay, you can see here a ruler, meter rod, and one more thing, a measuring tape. So, first we will learn about the ruler. Okay, ruler is used to measure the length. You usually use a ruler in the drawing classes, remember? When you draw a square in the drawing classes, beta, when you draw a square, you use ruler to make equal lines. Here, equal lines means with the equal length. Okay, remember that when you draw a square with the 6 centimeter, remember? Yes, this is the use of ruler. Okay, and now the second one is meter rod. What is a meter rod? It is a metal rod, or you can say it is a straight long bar. You can see here in the picture, it is a metal rod or it is a straight long bar that is generally 1 meter long. Look, who is this uncle in the picture? A shopkeeper. Shopkeeper use a meter rod. Okay, shopkeeper use meter rod to measure the clothes. Okay, next time when you go to the shopping mall to buy your clothes, keep your eye on the shopkeeper and check how would he measure your clothes. Okay, he would definitely use this meter rod. Okay, got it? So the ruler and the meter rod is used to measure the length. The third one is measuring tape. This is a measuring tape, as you can see in the picture. This one and this one is measuring tape. I think we all have measuring tape in our home. We can measure the size of a lot of things with this measuring tape. For example, you can measure the size of your shoes. You can also measure the size of your shirt and other things like the table or even your height. Okay, I'm repeating again, beta. Beta, please try to get your class on time. Okay, but I'm repeating again. There are three things we use to measure the length. Number one is ruler. Ruler you usually use in your drawing classes. Okay, the meter rod and the measuring tape. Okay, got it? These three tools are used to measure the length. Okay, and what is length? How long something is. Got it? Are you getting my point, beta? So now let's go to the next one. Measuring the weight. Okay, what is weight? Weight means how heavy something is. So we can measure weight with the help of weighing scale. What is a weighing scale? A weighing scale is a machine that shows how heavy something is. Here are some weighing machines, like you can see here. Okay, but the different machines are used to measure the weight. First one is the kitchen scale. Okay, you can see here the kitchen scale. Okay, this scale is used to measure mostly the kitchen products and used to measure the fruits. Okay, you can see here the apple. Okay, so kitchen scale is used to measure the vegetables and fruits and sometimes other kitchen products. Okay, because this is a kitchen scale. Remember this. Okay, now here you can see here two pan balance. Okay, two pen. That means it has two pen. Look here and here. The shopkeeper mostly use this to measure the weight of something. When you go to buy something like fruits, okay, the shopkeeper put weight in one pan and he usually put the thing like mango in the other pan. Okay, and this shows how heavy something is. The heavy pen, look here, the heavy pen goes downward and the lighter pen goes upward. Okay, so the two pen balance is used to measure the weight of different things. Now the third one, electronic balance. Electronic balance is used to measure the weight of mostly the dry products. Okay, like spices. Okay, spices means like the chaat masala, like chili powder. Okay, and it can also use to measure the dry products. Okay, this is used in the grocery markets, like when you go into the Imtiaz and Metro. Okay, electronic balance can tell you the exact weight. Okay, electronic balance can tell you the exact weight in numbers, like look here, 144.3 grams. Okay, got it? Now the bathroom scale, but this is not used to measure the bathroom. The bathroom scale is used to measure the body weight. Have you ever seen someone standing on a weighing scale like this? Hmm? If yes, this is called as bathroom scale. This scale is used to measure the body weight. You can also check your body weight with this scale. Okay, so we have learned the four scales to measure the body weight. Number one, kitchen scale. Number two, two pen balance. Number three, electronic balance. And the fourth one is bathroom scale. Okay, got it? Now move to the next one, time. That we can also measure or check the time with different types of clocks. The first one is the wall clock. Okay, you can see everywhere the wall clock. The wall clock has needles to tell the time. Okay, and the other one is the wristwatch. You can go anywhere with the wristwatch and check your time. And this is called as quartz clock. Beta, this clock is used to put the morning alarms. Okay, when mobile was not invented, we used quartz clock for morning alarms. Okay, you can see here this one. This is quartz clock. This is the wall clock. This is quartz clock, and this is a wristwatch. Okay, now the digital clock. Okay, or you can say electronic clock as well. It doesn't have needle. It tells you the time directly, beta, in numbers. Like it's 12 p.m. Okay, this is the digital clock, and digital clock doesn't have needles. Okay, got it? It will tell you the time directly in numbers. You can see the digital clock mostly in hospitals or mostly in the supermarkets. Okay, or in the airport as well. And this is the pendulum clock. Okay, this clock is like the wall clock, but it has a pendulum. So what is the pendulum? A pendulum is a swinging wheel. Okay, this pendulum swings back and forth like this. Okay, so this is the pendulum clock. Okay, now again, wall clock, wristwatch, quartz clock, digital clock, pendulum clock. These all are used to measure the time. Okay, got it? We have learned we can measure the time with the clocks, and knowing the time is very important. Otherwise, you will be get late for your school. Okay, got it? Okay. Now, measuring the temperature. Okay, what is temperature? The temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness. The degree of hotness, okay, and the degree of coldness of the body is called temperature. Okay, temperature shows how hot or cold something is. Okay, thermometer. With a thermometer, this one is the thermometer. Look here, this is also a thermometer. Okay, the thermometer is used to check the temperature, the degree of hotness and coldness of the body. Thermometer shows how high our body temperature is when we have fever. So the doctor and nurses use thermometer to check our body temperature. Okay, beta, I'm repeating again. Temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness. Okay, and the thermometer is a device used to measure the body temperature. Okay, we can also check the temperature of the air with the thermometer. Okay, got it? Oh, now the liquids. Liquids are flowing freely like the water. Okay, like you have the examples of liquids: honey, milk, water, and oil. Okay, these are the liquids, and we have learned about the liquids in yesterday's class in very detail. Okay, beta. So we can measure liquids like water, juice, milk, oil in the beaker. Okay, beta. These are called the beaker. Okay, and we can also measure the liquid in the jug, in the normal jug, in the cups, in the glass as well. Okay, beta. For those students who missed the lesson, I'm repeating again. Beta, in measuring instruments are the machine. Instruments are tools, machines, or the device that are used to measure the things. Okay, it will tell the things about, like when we have the question, how high is it? How big? how heavy or how far, like how far is your school from your home. Okay, so that is the distance between your school and your home. Okay, and this is the lemonade recipe. Okay, we can measure the length with the three objects. Okay, tell me in the chat box. The first one is ruler, the other one is meter rod, the third one is measuring tape. Very good. Okay, now the weight. Weight means how heavy something is. And there are four scales used to measure the weight. Kitchen scale. Here, this one is the kitchen scale used to measure the weight of fruits and vegetables. Then there is tube and balance, and it has two pen. Okay, this is electronic balance, and this will tell you the exact weight of the dry products. Bathroom scale is used to measure the body weight. Got it? The time. Okay, we can check time with the help of different clocks. Okay, this is the wall. This is the wall clock. This is the quartz clock. With a quartz clock is used to put the morning alarms. Okay, and this is the wristwatch. The digital clock will tell you the time in numbers. Okay, it doesn't have needles. Pendulum clock has a pendulum, a swinging weight. Okay. Now the temperature. You can check the temperature with the help of what? Yes, thermometer. Okay, liquids. We can measure liquids with the help of beaker, jug, glass, cup, anything available in your kitchen. You can check the liquids. Okay. Now, Beta, this is a song for you. Try to enjoy it and try to learn it. Okay.
My new ruler is bright blue. It measures me and it measures you. Measures length and width and height. My super ruler is alright. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or depth. My favorite thing is measurement. I got a scale to stand on. It weighs that, it weighs more. It tells me pounds or kilograms. It tells my weight is just so grand. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or depth. My favorite thing is measurement. I got a glass thermometer. It tells me each day's temperature. Celsius or Fahrenheit. My thermometer's out of sight. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or depth. My favorite thing is measurement.
How hard is it?
Use a thermometer.
How long is it?
Use the ruler.
How heavy is it?
Use the
How
scale.
much time did it take?
Press the stopwatch.
How hard is it?
Read the degrees.
How long is it?
Read the inches.
How heavy is it?
Read the
How
pounds.
much time did it take?
Read the seconds. Rulers help me measure things. How much I've grown or length of string.
You're growing.
Measures inches and feet too. Just like the foot that's in my shoe. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or depth. My favorite thing is measurement. Scales are real cool. My class has one we use at school. Weighs in ounces or in pounds. Tells me when weight goes up or down. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or depth. My favorite thing is measurement. Thermometer, just cold or hot, like the one my doctor's got.
98.
I measure air or measure seas. Measures temperature in degrees. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or depth. My favorite thing is measurement.
How hard is it?
Use a
How
thermometer.
long is it?
Use the
How
ruler.
heavy is it?
Use the
How
scale.
much time did it take?
Press the stopwatch.
How hard is it?
Read the degrees.
How long is it?
Read the
How
inches.
heavy is it?
Read the
How
pounds.
much time did it take?
Read the seconds. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or temp. My favorite thing is measurement.
I hope beta you enjoyed the song and try to learn it. Okay, you can download it from the YouTube. Okay, now the conclusion. We are going to sum up the whole lesson. So, the machines that are used to measure things are called measuring instruments. Very good. We measure length and distance with a ruler, a meter rod, or a measuring tape. Okay, got it? The bathroom scale, kitchen scale, electronic balance are used to measure weight. Okay, beta? We measure liquids. Okay, what are the liquids? Milk, water, honey with the cups, beaker, and other container. What is container? That holds something in it. Okay, we can check our body temperature with a thermometer. Okay, got it? Beta, take a screenshot and a picture of it. These are the main points of the topic. Okay, read the lesson carefully. Now, beta, home task. Take a picture of this home task. What will you do? You will make a title page of unit number 8, measuring instruments. Okay, then you will start your homework in your fair copy. So the first question is, do the textbook exercise, and it's the page number 38. Okay, do the textbook exercise, page number 38. Okay, take a picture or a screenshot. Be quick. Now, question number 2. Define the following terms. Okay, number 1 is measuring instruments. Okay, what are the measuring instruments? The tools, the machines that are used to measure the things. Okay, what is length? I have already told you in the lecture how long something is. Okay, what is the measuring tape? Measuring tape is used to measure the length. A weighing scale shows how heavy something is. A thermometer used to check the temperature. And what is temperature? The degree of hotness and coldness. That means how hot or cold something is. Okay? Take a picture or a screenshot of this home task. Okay, beta. Now the question number 3. Complete the given worksheet in next slides. Look at the pictures in the square, circle the word. The best describes the picture the arrow is pointing to. Okay? Okay, done? Now, this is the worksheet. Okay. Look at the two pictures in each square. Okay, beta, look at the two pictures in each square. Circle the word the best describes the picture the arrow is pointing to. Okay, the arrow is pointing to, okay, this one. Arrow is pointing to this one. This is heavier or lighter than this. Okay, then you will circle the word heavier because it is, this one is heavier than this. Then you will circle this word heavier. Okay, got it? Take a picture and screenshot of this. Okay, beta, and this is the activity, beta. You don't need to write this activity in your fair copy. This is the activity for you. What will you do? Measure your height with the help of measuring tape. Okay, or you can take the help of your mama in this activity. Okay, measure your height with the help of measuring tape. Done? Now, this is also the activity from your book. Measure and make a fruity smoothie. You need half cup yogurt, half glass milk, fruit of your own choice. Like this is the season of mango, okay, and banana is also available in this season. 2 teaspoons sugar. Put all the ingredients in the blender and blend until smooth. Put a few ice cubes and enjoy your delicious smoothie. Okay, you can do this activity with your mama. Okay, otherwise your mama will beat you. Okay, so we have done with this chapter. Okay, beta. Exercise. Choose the correct answers to fill in the blanks. Okay. Tell me the answer in the chat box. A. I will use a dash to measure the length of my book. What will you use, beta? It's on a scale or ruler? Ruler. Irfan. Ahmad. Very good. Okay. The second one is my mother wears a dash on her wrist. Watch or clock? Give me the answer in the chat box. Yes, watch. Very good. The next one is, okay, beta, the next one is a full jug holds dash water than a full glass. Who will give me the answer? Zainab. More. Very good. Ahmed and Irfan, you are very active. Ayman. Good. Subhan. Very good. Okay, beta. That means you are clear on this. The dash is used to measure how much sugar to put in a cake. It's on a scale or thermometer. Ahmed Safi Zainab. Very good. Pitch on scale. Okay, beta? So match the following. What will you do? The thermometer is used to check weight, time, temperature, length, or liquid. Okay, you will draw a line from thermometer to the temperature. Okay, got it? The bathroom scale is used to measure the, yes, weight. Measuring tape. Measuring tape is used to measure the length. Clock. Clock is used to measure the, yes, if your answer is time, then you are absolutely right. Clap for yourself. Yes. The beaker. Beaker is used to measure the liquid. Got it? Okay, beta, I'm again sharing the home task. Please take a picture or a screenshot and be quick. This is your home task. Do the textbook exercise, page number 38. Define the following terms. All these terms, you have to write the definition of all these terms. Complete the given worksheet in the next slide. This one. Take a picture or a screenshot. Done? This is activity. Measure your height with the help of measuring tape. And this is also your activity to make a fruity smoothie. Okay?